In today's technology landscape, even the most advanced technology relies on something fundamental: the ability to install and deploy reliably at scale and with minimal disruption. In 2025, 3 projects demonstrate the scale, flexibility, and expertise that Accucode's partners rely on. Accucode partnered with a global communication services provider to design and install the wireless network for a 750,000 square foot solar panel manufacturing facility. The design incorporated nearly 1.5 miles of cable tray, close to 100 access points, and more than 10 intermediate distribution frames. The project extended over the course of a year and included a full-time on-site crew managed directly by our team. A partner approached us with an urgent challenge: support a domain transition for more than 20 locations on the same day. Coordinating with many technicians across multiple sites in a single, synchronized window tested our operational control and communication. The outcome was a smooth, well-orchestrated cutover completed without disruption to the customer's operations. Accucode completed a 200-store network upgrade for a national restaurant chain. This followed a wireless refresh in 2024 and required a full redesign of the network stack and the installation of new network racks. Every site had to be upgraded overnight to avoid interrupting business operations. Our teams worked through the night, location by location, ensuring that each store opened the next morning with a fully operational and improved network. These examples demonstrate an essential part of Accucode's business: adapting to customer requirements, no matter the hour, complexity, or constraints. Accucode is the field services partner trusted by distributors and service providers across North America, designing custom solutions, managing high-volume rollouts, and working seamlessly within customer environments. Whether you need support for a single flagship site or hundreds of locations, we're ready to deliver a successful deployment.